Welcome to another week of the Culinary Arts of Ashmont. Today we are making quick cheese pizza. Spoon in and level 2 cups of flour. Measure 15 milliliters or 1 tablespoon of quick rising yeast. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease a pizza pan with cooking spray or oil. Use a paper towel to evenly spread the oil and remove any excess. Add about 1 cup of the flour and your yeast to a mixing bowl. Measure 250 milliliters or 1 cup of hot water. It is important that you use hot water so that your yeast will activate properly. Add the water and mix until the batter is smooth. Stir in another 1 cup of flour. Add 2 milliliters or half a teaspoon of salt. Since my batter is still too liquidy, I'm going to measure out another half a cup of flour and slowly add it until my dough reaches the consistency of something that I can knead. Once the dough forms a ball and pulls away from the sides of the bowl, you can flour the counter and turn it out onto the floured surface. Knead the dough with floured hands, adding more flour if you need. Knead the dough until it is smooth and elastic, at least 5 minutes. Using a floured rolling pin, roll the dough into a large flat circle and place it on the pan. Use your fingers to stretch it to the edge. Use your fingers to stretch the dough to the edges and to form a bit of a crust. Now we're going to make the sauce. Open 1 small can of tomato sauce. Add a pinch of salt and possibly sugar if you find that your sauce is acidic. Add 10 milliliters or 2 teaspoons of crumbled oregano. You can also add garlic powder or Italian seasoning. Mix the sauce well before adding to your pizza. Spoon the sauce onto the dough and spread evenly. You can spread the dough using a rubber scraper or using the back of a ladle, moving in small circles. Grate at least 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Feel free to experiment and add different kinds of cheeses as well. Arrange your toppings of choice evenly over the pizza. As you can see, today we are making pepperoni pizza. Distribute the grated mozzarella cheese evenly over the pizza, top with any additional toppings, and with parmesan cheese. Bake for 20 to 30 minutes or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. Let the pizza cool 3 to 5 minutes before slicing with a pizza cutter. Enjoy! Thanks for watching this week's episode of the Culinary Arts of Ashmont.